I'm very proud to have a customer for which we've become a trusted advisor. We're not a vendor with Renner, we're really a partner. And the partnership is strategic. The partnership with them allows us to bring new solutions to them. They try them in real time and confirm them to allow us to help other customers around the world. Arguably, Renner is one of the most sophisticated adopters of RFID technology, and as I just said to you, they have full stream. They have source tagging at their manufacturing locations that we support them with. They have the distribution centers with RFID to track incoming inventory, exporting inventory. They track the inventory coming into the stores. They track the inventory coming from the back office of the store, going through the transition door out onto the floor. They track the inventory for retail count and replenishment. They track it out through the point of sales and self-checkout. They track it out through the pedestals on the way out the door. So it's the best use case we have in terms of reference account, and they've been recognized globally in recent activities for their success and the return on the investment working with Sensormatic. So it's been a great success story.